I'm the Black Country Biker and this is the Innovv P1 Tyre inflator.
Black Country Biker.
Before we get into it, there are discount codes for you all on this item. Be you long-time subscribers, new subscribers or new to the channel, or if you're just popping in for a look, everyone gets a discount code on this one. If you go to the Innovv website, we'll get you 10% off this on their website or any item that you want. It's not just limited to this. However, if you just want one of these and you want 20% off, there's a link for Amazon UK. I'll put the link in the description where you can just jump onto there. But it'll only get 20% off this item, off no other items of Innovv, just this one. So the codes will be coming in the video. So if you're interested in having one of these or seeing what it does, stick around. Okay, this is the Innovv P1 Tyre inflator. Sent to me by the lovely people at Innovv. They also do sat navs for your bike, tablets for your bike. There's a lot of QR codes on the back of the box should you wish to scan them for Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. So it supports up to 150 psi for quick and effortless inflation. Lightweight and easy to carry, built-in overpressure protection. It's got a 6,000 milliamp battery for extended use, so you can use it as a battery bank if you want to. Easy to operate in the dark, suitable for cars, motorcycle, bicycles, footballs, lilos, you name it. This will inflate it. So let's have a look inside the box. Again, packaging is really nice. A couple of nice stickers for you, should you wish to put these on your top box or anywhere else. There's the user manual. Okay, so in the box we should have an air pump, the air tube, air nozzle accessory kit, Type-C charging cable, waterproof cowhide bag and the instruction manual which we're looking at now. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, what's in here? Let's see what we've got in the box. So yeah, there's the tube. It obviously screws into the top of the unit. USB-C to A cable. There's all your different nozzles. So obviously this one is for your car and motorcycle. That one's obviously for a football, and there's different size nozzles there for. There's a different connector on there as well should you have any issues with the size of the nozzle. So yeah, there's all your different nozzles to blow all your different paraphernalia up. And here is the unit itself. There's the bag. What we got in there? Oh, it's just a bit of padding. Okay. Well, yeah, this is very nice. Feels nice. It's got, again, it says it's lightweight, but it's got some weight to it. That has. So let's turn it on and see if we've got any life in the battery or if we need to charge it. Okay, so straight away you can see there's your bar. That's your PSI. It's got motorcycle at the top at the moment. Back to bar, bicycle, football. There's your car. There's your motorcycle. Okay, so you can set your bar pressures or your PSI. So that's set to 45.5. So if we took that down to 42 for the back wheel on my bike, that should set it. So it's got a torch on it as well, so you can see in the dark. So if you break down or you get a tyre problem in the dark, if you get a puncture or a slow puncture, we can press the SOS button once and it will put the torch on, or the flashlight if you're in the States. So yeah, we've got a torch, as we say in the UK, flashlight if you're in America. If we press the SOS button again, that is flashing SOS, which is going to show up quite well in the dark. So if you're in a lane somewhere, put this behind the bike or put it on the seat pointing behind you or in front of you, and people will see an SOS. Or you can press it again. So if you lose all power on your bike, you can put this at the back of the bike or wherever you need to. Okay, so let's see it in action then. Let's get it turned on. Press and hold the centre button. We've got it on car at the moment, so I need to flick the bottom button there. There's motorcycle, has just come up on the screen, and it's set at 45 psi, so I need that down to 42 psi for my back tyre. That's the centre button. That will turn it on and off, so let's get it connected to the bike. And let's see what we've got. So it's saying it's 36.5. So let's get it blown up. As you can see, it's pretty quick actually. I have got another one, but it's not an Innovv, and this is far quicker than the one I've got. Far quicker. I'm not sure what you have on your bikes, but on BMWs I always have the front at 36 and the back on 42. We're nearly there. Okay, it's got to 42, it's turned itself off. Let's see if, let's try it with the monitoring thing I've got here. Check the tyre pressure, see if it's correct. Let's have a look. That is more or less bang on, 42 psi. Perfect. I'm happy with that. Yeah, so like I say, this is a really nice bit of kit. It feels nice, it looks nice, it's got some weight to it, it's solid, and it's got all the different connectors for your bike, car, pedal cycle, bicycle, Lilo, footballs, you name it, this will blow it up. Also, we've still got the light, so let's show what the light does in the dark. So if you're in a lane somewhere, let's just disconnect the pipe, and let's get the lights working. So as you can see, there's your flashlight or your torch. There's your SOS. And then you've got a rapid red flashing light to warn people that you're in the lane. Should you lose power on your motorcycle if you're in the dark, put this on the back of the bike for oncoming traffic and they'll know you're there. Okay, that has been my honest review of this Innovv P1 Tyre inflator. I think it's a really nice bit of kit, I have to say. I like the touch with the SOS light on the top and the torch, or like I say, if you're in the States, the flashlight. You've got the red SOS and then you've got a rapid red flashing light. So should you be in trouble anywhere, especially in the dark, if you lose power on your bike and you've got no lights on, you put this on the back, put the red flashing light on, and I will show you that. Let's just turn it on. There's the flashlight. There's your SOS. And there is your red flashing rapid light. That will warn other road users of your presence if you're in a dark place. Okay, if you've enjoyed the video, if you don't mind giving us a thumbs up, and if you'd consider subscribing, it doesn't cost you anything. There's more reviews coming. Like I say, they have sent me this to do this video, but I'm as honest as a day's long. If I thought it was no good, I'd tell you. I've got nothing to lose, I get to keep this anyway. You can get 10% discount off the Innovv website on this item, or any item of your choice if you're interested in something else. If you get to check out, there's a discount box. If you type in there TBCB10, the Black Country Biker 10, TBCB10, that'll get you 10% off this item or anything on their website. Likewise, if you just want to buy this, you can get 20% off at Amazon UK. Hopefully it might work wherever you are in the world. And the code for Amazon in the discount box is ISZZREV9. That is ISZZREV9. That will get you 20% off, but just on this on Amazon. So yeah, thanks for watching. There will be other videos coming along, other reviews. I've got a few things I've been sent to do videos on. I'm in the process of doing that shortly. They are GPS systems for your BMW motorcycle. I think they will fit others as well, but particularly they've sent me the ones for the BMW, but we will go through those. So yeah, great bit of kit. I love it. Thank you Innovv for sending it. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Like I say, give us a thumbs up, and if you wouldn't mind subscribing, that'd be great. And I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.
Black Country Biker.